Welcome to Little Guys Big Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing a cinematic light box that I purchased from Amazon over a year ago. And guess what? Still works. Stay tuned. Alright, let's unbox this thing. It's a color changing cinematic light box. It comes with 32 RG LEDs. It is a 16 by 12 by 12. It comes with letters from A to Z. Also goes from numbers 1 to 0. Has some other stuff. Hearts, hashtag signs, all that good stuff. Right off the bat, it tells you it also works with 6 AA batteries, which are not included. No, people, you do have to purchase those, unfortunately. All right, let's pull this thing out. Now, this box looks pretty beat up. Mind you, I've already had this for an entire year, and I put it to plenty of use, hosting tons of things. We've used this thing plenty of times for birthday parties, family pictures, all kinds of things like that. Now, look at what we got here, all right? I guess we could call this a little self-promotion. You know what it was. I just took the favor of putting all this on here for you guys. Let's set this aside. We'll set it down here really quick. As you can see, all the numbers and stuff are in the bags. These are separate ones that I've used previously with my kids' lunch. There's also a remote control and a power cord for it. So let's go ahead and check that out. This video, guys, we're going to leave my self-promotion up for the testing purposes. Here's the remote control. There's a power on the left-hand top corner of it. Also, on this side, the power button too. I suggest when you are done using this to make sure you click this off, even though you can hit the power on here. It'll help save the battery life. I've only replaced batteries twice in this thing, and I've had it pretty much over a year. So what you want to do is you would flip this on. There goes your lights. Now, right here you have your demo light, which will demo it for you, which is pretty much a blinking motion. And then if you hit your mode button, you can determine how quick the blink will go. The pattern of it, you can go plus, which will make it go quicker. And then you can go slower, which will make it slow to almost to a point where it is completely still. Now, you also have your speed buttons, which now you can also speed it up again. So you have a little disco party. Cue the music. Okay, enough of that. All right, let's slow it down. Let's get back to reality. Party time is over. So now we have those. This is the color lights. Let's choose red, and you want to make it brighter. You hit the brighten button. There's a plus and a minus. Plus will be to make it brighter, and negative will bring it very dim to almost completely off. So let's go ahead and brighten this bad boy all the way up. And then what this will do is, instead of actually hitting the different colors, if you just press up, it will run you through all the different colors. Just like so. I really like the white. I believe my favorite color is blue or purple. I think purple is best. Puts up a nice bright light to it, especially at nighttime. Let's check out the power. So the only problem I really see wrong with this is the power cable. The power cable is not that long. It's about 4 feet long, which typically seems like a good size power cable. If you don't have an outlet that is 4 to 5 feet range, you definitely have to have batteries in this thing. And if you forget, that could be the issue, because now the original location you thought you had is no longer. The bad part about that is if you take it somewhere and you don't have batteries and you are relying on this power cable, you're out of luck. Now you have to reassess where you're going to put this. You have to find an outlet, or hopefully, fingers crossed, they have an extension cord, which good possibility if you go into a party they do. But that was one of the downfalls for me. Also, the other downfall was that this is actually mine that I use for my phones, a USB end, but you also need a USB power adapter to plug into the walls. It does not come with that. Power outlet adapter does not come with that. It's also a downgrade, but for the price point, you can't beat it. So let's check the pros and cons. I would say let's start out a couple of the pros. Pros I like is that it does come with a lot of lettering and numbers. Majority of the letters that are used a whole lot more, you get 2 or 3 of those. The ones that are very that are seldom in use, you'll get 1, maybe 2 of those. So that is definitely a pro for me. A con is this power cable. I really wish that it would have been longer. This way it gives you more of a versatility of where you want to put it compared to it has to be an outlet right here. You have to put on a shelving because maybe somebody would like to put it under one of their desks or cubes or you know, something like that they want to light up and create a little ambiance. But no, you have to have at least a plug 4 feet away for that. So this to me is a con. The other pro that I like is that it does the remote. It allows you to be very functional from far away. I'm able to turn it on, change different colors to whatever my liking is without having to walk over there and do it. So if you're at a party, you want to change the color, you hit the remote, you put it in your back pocket, you're good to go. Definitely 100% love this. This is a pro. The other con that I don't necessarily like is that it doesn't come with the 6 AAA batteries, and you have to go out and buy them, which I would suggest if you're gonna go out and buy them, you might as well go out and buy rechargeable ones. Yes, off the bat it's gonna be a little bit more pricier, but in the long run it's gonna last you a long time because more than likely you're gonna have some backups. The other pro for me is the power button. I do like that because it actually happened to me that we hosted a party, we put this up, I put the remote in my back pocket, did not realize it, and couldn't figure out how to turn it off. I was gonna pull the batteries, but then remembered there's the power switch right here. So I definitely like it. And the last con for me is that there is no power plug adapter. You have to have one of these to be able to plug in the outlet. Now I know these are very common now and a lot of people have them, but hey, if you don't and you have no batteries, you just brought a big paperweight to the party. If you guys like this review, please smash that thumbs up button for me. It really helps. And also leave a comment in the comment section below what you did like and what you didn't. I will also in the description below put a link to this, a little bit of the description, the features, all that good stuff that you want to know. I did purchase it off Amazon and it was under $30, which is amazing. Whenever I shop on Amazon, I like to do $50 and under. I am what you call a baller on a budget. Now, if you are a baller on a budget and you like this kind of content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I drop a cool review just like this. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you on the next one.